Hi, I'm going to show you this jumper that I'm wearing today. There's lots of different details within it. I hope you find it interesting. I will pop the details of the pattern at the very end of the video. If you like working a detailed knit, then this is a jumper that I think you'd really enjoy knitting, because I know I did. It's got loads of different patterns going on here and plenty to keep you entertained. Quite a deep rib around the waist, which is always quite flattering. And then there's plenty of different patterns going on here. Sort of a bit of a tree affair and a star. And then the yoke is all another pattern again. The sleeves were quite interesting because there was no increasing stitches across the sleeve. You just simply started on smaller needles and then gradually went up to slightly thicker needles and then slightly thicker needles again. And that gives this really nice grading of the sleeve, getting increasingly larger when you get to the top. It's knit in wool in the double knitting. The back is the same as the front, so there's no differentiation there. Put it on either way. A very enjoyable knit. Hopefully that's inspired you to have a go at this pattern. This is the pattern I used. It's the Moray Star by Dill Gilpin. And I recall a few years ago, I was at the Edinburgh Yarn Festival, and that's where I saw Di and this pattern. She had one on a mannequin, and I bought the yarn from her as well. I remember I tried the jumper on, and you can see it's quite short and me being a little bit long in the body. I did buy an extra ball to make the ribbing on the waist just that little bit longer to fit me better. And I'm glad I did, because if jumpers are too short on me and I'm always pulling them down, it gets a bit annoying. But yeah, that's the pattern, and I recommend it. I hope you've enjoyed this short video, so please hit the like button and subscribe to follow along for more inspiration in your knitting. I'm also creating a playlist that'll have lots of other details of knitting projects.